Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2023 Mercedes-Benz S-Class S580 4MATIC for sale. This comes in a nautical blue exterior, and we have a gray and black interior. Just going to do a quick video walk-around tour, show you some of the features of this vehicle, and then if you're interested in learning anything else, just reach out to us on our website, FeldmanImports.com. So we've got power, memory, heated and ventilated seats, sunroof. Love these Napa leather seats, steering wheel. Go ahead and hop inside. Mileage currently at 15. It's a brand new vehicle. Barely had a test drive. Okay, so we've got a push button ignition. You'll also notice the ambient LED lighting throughout the vehicle. It's all fully customizable within our menu system here. So you'll just go to comfort, and then you can see all of your massaging seat settings. Super cool. Various other seat kinetics, lumbar support. You can customize all these however you'd like. And then of course we've got our LED lighting that you can change with the push of a button here. Pretty cool. So it's just a little bit about our display here. It's all touchscreen. You also have controls here on your steering wheel here as well. But here is radio and backup camera. Tons of options within your camera settings, so you can see all around the vehicle, as well as even above the vehicle. Really helpful for parking and whatnot. What else? We've got our dynamic select switch here, so you'll switch between different sport modes, which will affect how the vehicle performs. We've got cup holders, USB connections, as well as a wireless charging pad for a cell phone. Alright, let's hop out. I'll show you the rear seats here next. So we've got rear seats, and you've got heated and ventilated power memory seats throughout the vehicle. Love this nice wood grain accent trim. And look at that sunroof, both front and rear. And quick peek back up front. And coming around to the rear, we have our S580 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk. Some new all-weather mats here for you. Plenty of storage space here, and then push button to close. So once again, this was the 2023 Mercedes-Benz S580 4MATIC S-Class for Mercedes-Benz in a nautical blue. If you're interested in learning more about the vehicle or setting up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, FeldmanImports.com.